This is a simple protocol for the synthesis of functionalizable, near-infrared emitting photoluminescent gold nanoclusters and their detection using a commercial setup. One of the major advantages of this technique is that the attachment of thiol functionalized ligand and coupling of amine functionalized ligand on the surface of gold nanoclusters does not adversely affect the photoluminescent properties and colloidal stability. It can be envisaged that the combination of intense photoluminescence properties and conjugation with biomolecules will allow for the in vitro detection of low concentration analytes, biosensing, cell labeling, and bioimaging. Demonstrating the procedure will be Klaudia Kvaková, my PhD student. The flow cytometry will be demonstrated by research assistant Alžběta Magdalenová. The microscopy part will be demonstrated by Vaclav Bocan, a grad student from Lenka Libusova laboratory.
Start by adding 7.8 milligrams of thioctic acid in 60 microliters of 2 molar sodium hydroxide to 23.4 milliliters of ultrapure water and stirring the mixture until completely dissolved. Next, add 10.2 microliters of hydrogen tetrachloroaurate to the solution and, after 15 minutes, add 480 microliters of freshly prepared sodium borohydride while stirring vigorously. Continue stirring the reaction mixture overnight. On the next day, purify the solution using 3 cycles of ultrafiltration with a molecular weight cutoff of 3 kilodaltons. Then, add 15.6 milligrams of thiol-terminated polyethylene glycol to the solution. Adjust the pH to between 7 and 7.